In my next episode of City Tour, today I am going to visit and show you the Pakistan capital Islamabad, most oldest traditional and very big supermarket, namely F6 supermarket. This is very old, traditional and famous supermarket from very first day of its capital Islamabad inauguration. There are many brands for handicrafts, for antique, for gem and jewelry, for food item, cafe shop, supermarkets. Look, you can see different markets for antiques, carpets, Persian carpets. You can find each and everything here in this area. It's very close to Parliament House, very close to Diplomatic Enclave, KFC of supermarket. Because of the oldest area of Islamabad, it's very famous all over Pakistan. Look, Chai Khana, the first branch of this franchise, Pakistani franchise Chai Khana. And now there is one Chai Mahfil up to that. This is Shams supermarket, very old, traditional. You can find every imported item there. And this is United Bakers, very old and famous bakers for sweets and other bakery item in Islamabad. And this is the Watson. That plaza consists of many medical stores, the Watson, Shaheen and other big brands. If you come across from the Watson to inside, there are very traditional old markets, antique stores for gem and jewelry, handicrafts, dry fruits and other items. This is the main double road, school road, very famous road in this area. This is D. Watson pharmacy and grocery store. This is Shaheen pharmacy and grocery store. Parking area for this side. This is Shaheen Optics, Shaheen Homeopathic. And down there in the basement, Shaheen Grocery. Marco Polo carpets, very old traditional carpet you can find here. All antique item carpets and gyms of Pakistan. Different tea and coffee shops. This is eating area for sitting area, and this is Pink restaurant, very famous for hangout and dating. And this is Taksim restaurant. This is newly open here. This is Libra Jeweler, very famous old jewelry shop in this area. Very famous for its jewelry and gemstone item. He is a good merchant. Haroon's for small gift items and other things. Chai for you, newly opened chai shop. And upstairs this is Adab restaurant, very good, tasty, traditional restaurant. Down there this is Behbood Foundation Boutique. This is a foundation mainly for charity purpose. Look, now it's flower season in Islamabad. Islamabad is famous for its greenery, natural beauty, its greenery. Look, this is Adab restaurant. Different banks. You can find each and every bank in this area, in the supermarket. And this is famous steakhouse, very old restaurant in this area. Mr. Tanveer, our friend, is owner of this steakhouse. Very famous, very nice and tasty food. There you can find their menu. Outside sitting area, very beautiful, very healthy activity to sit there at evening time and make gossips with friends. This is Red Apple, very famous for burger and barbecue. This sitting area for chai, coffee and burgers. Quetta royalty. Nowadays, Quetta tea is very famous in all over Islamabad. Now I am moving a little bit inside to show you some small shops for everything. You can find mainly F6 is famous for jewelry, gems, antique items, carpets, Persian carpets, Afghani carpets, Irani carpets. This is inside market. Stylo, very famous for ladies shoes and ladies accessories. ECS, another good brand, Pakistani brand ECS for ladies items and accessories. This is Hakim Rizwan Ahmad, Hakim Rizwan Hafiz, very old Hakim in this area. This is the most oldest shop of this area. Inside there, Junaid Jamshed, a famous Pakistani brand for ready-made clothes and garments and perfumes and other items. And this is the famous Munchies for Dahi Balle and for the other Pakistani traditionals. Daytime item, lemon soda, Dahi Balle, fruit chaat, famous Manchester restaurant. This is a famous multi-purpose sports center area near supermarket. You can play here football. You can also enjoy long tennis. 2 long tennis court here and 1 basketball court. AstroTurf area for walking or jogging. It's a very nice small place for some recreation, for some sports facility in the area. You can see the Margala Hills, the beauty of Islamabad. The area for flower lovers. You can buy bouquet, bunch of flowers for different occasions. Very beautiful decorated shops, all fresh flowers here. Very nice. Flowers are the beauty of Islamabad. Look, he's making nice robe. Adjacent to flower shops, this is area for small antique shops, variety of handicrafts. You can see cap, traditional caps and shawls, handicraft, very nice, old and brass one. You can see here, very nice decorated shop. This is for gemstone and handicrafts. MashaAllah, very nice. Another Koita Cafe, very famous nowadays in these areas. This is Aga Khan Road, started from here. The front. Now this is the other side of F6 area, Aga Khan Road side. This is the front side of you can say F6. When we came from Apara and Melody side, so it's came this area. This is called Aga Khan Road, double road. This is a very famous and old vegetable shop, Fruit Palace. Variety naan center, a traditional Pakistani plain roti and old mosque for this area. Items here in Kosar market, and this market is very famous, very famous. Ma'am, Street One Cafe, very famous. Table Talk, also very famous. Tuscan Courtyard. Look, this is the old frozen foods meat shops. Very older one in Islamabad area. This is GN store, old grocery shop from 1970s in this area, and this is AM Grocery, also very famous. And this is Isaji. Isaji is very famous grocery shop. All imported item you can find here in Isaji. This is Farm Fresh fruit and vegetable shop, and this is the mosque, Jame Masjid Kosar, very old mosque of this area. This road leads to Abbas Market, very famous market for furniture, old and new furniture. Before it was famous for furniture. Nowadays it's only mainly new furniture, new Pakistani and Chinese furniture. But before it was very famous for old furniture from US, UK and other European countries, sold by and auctioned by embassies and resold by these merchants here in this area. This is Nimra Masjid of Abbas Market, F64 area. This is Street 55 of F64 area, okay? It's a very big market for furniture. Go inside deep. This is the Islamabad Marriott Hotel near supermarket. Just walking distance from supermarket. Good 5-star hotel and restaurant. Before it was the only 5-star hotel, but now there are others in the area. Where the offices of all ministries are there. Now this road leads to President House, Parliament House, Prime Minister Office, Supreme Court of Pakistan, Ministry of Foreign Office. All the main functional bodies of Pakistan are on this road. You can see in front of me the President House, the Parliament, the PM House, very nice road, flowers, green area, very clean. This is the Parliament House. In front of me, Supreme Court of Pakistan. This entry leads to Parliament House. Supreme Court of Pakistan.